Hey guys, what is up? I'm doing another video today, and I'm gonna be doing lucky chest opening. Let's go. I'm gonna skip ahead of the video and get this free one. See you then. Okay guys, we're back. I just watched a video for a free chest, so let's open our first one. Okay, we'll take that. Okay, let's buy one with our gems. Oh, okay. I just want to not buy something, but get something good in this. Alright. We got this, even though I already have it. Oh wow. I'm really gonna use that. No. Okay. I'll take it, I guess. You know what, you guys? I have an idea. Okay. Wait. Nice, two spins. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. This should be enough. Okay, alright. Nice. Alright, we got it. Nice. 99 gems. I take it. I rate that. I want some coins. Nice. I don't know if I have these. Okay. No. I don't like the tickets. That. Okay. Nice. Alright. Coins. I'll take it. I'll type it. I won't take that. I don't rate it. I rate this. I rate that though. Yes. Free spins. I just need more free spins. I need the gems. Come on. It's gems, whatever. It's another chest that I can use. Okay. Alright. I'll rate that. Oh my goodness. Okay, sorry, that's Anton. Yes! Oh my gosh! Yo, you guys, Brutal Headhunter. Oh my gosh! Yo! Finally, you know how hard it is and rare it is to get a gun in this? I rate that so much. You guys don't even know Zazizans? How awesome that is. Okay, before I open these, from now on, I'm going to do this. Settings. Okay. Languages. Let's go here. Alright. Okay. Oh. Yeah. I'm totally gonna use that. Yeah. Definitely. Come on. Okay. I'll take it. 5. Jemmies. Okay. I don't rate that. No, I hate it. I hate this. That. What turn are we at? Okay. 5. That's alright. We're at 80 coins. Sorry about that, you guys. We just won a second weapon in this video. Yo, you guys. Okay, we're doing awesome. We're efficiently, we've won two weapons in this video. Yeah. And people usually get excited about one. I can't believe it. Yeah, give me another free spin. Give me another free spin. Take it. Ah. Come on. Okay, whatever. Are you? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. What is that? What? No. Hold on. I kind of want to see something quickly. Hold on, you guys. Hold on, fam. I'm gonna skip ahead of the video shooting. Alright, you guys. We're back. Okay, let's open the rest of these. Okay. Come on. Nice. Oh. Nice. Alright. Free spin. Free spin. Free spin. Coins. Okay. Okay. Nice. 5 more. 5 more, you guys. Well, anyways, I think I'm going to end the video here. See you next video, you guys. Bye.